चलिए हमारे ड्यूटी कर रहा है प्लीज आप लोग सामने रहो जी बात फिर बाद में मीटिंग का विजिट कर दो Today in Osmania Hospital Medical College building, all MIM 7 MLAs, 2 MLCs, along with me and other municipal corporators have come to Osmania Hospital. And our visit is very important because of the recent announcement made by the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana that he will be developing 3 hospitals come medical college around Hyderabad. Now the decision of the state government has come as a shock to us that the Honorable Chief Minister has agreed to make medical colleges and develop those medical colleges around those 3 hospitals. But the premier medical institute of Telangana and also in that erstwhile Andhra Pradesh is the Osmania Medical College and the Osmania Hospital, which has historically been servicing the poor people of the then Hyderabad state, then the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh state, and now the state of Telangana. The situation in the prevailing condition in the present Osmania Hospital are pathetic to say the least. I must really commend and congratulate the doctors who have been performing great human service in Osmania Hospital despite against all odds because they don't have any facility over here. We know very well that the old Osmania medical building is not in use because it is in dilapidated condition. It is also known fact that in the Osmania Medical College and in this Osmania Hospital you require a new inpatient block, a new outpatient block, an emergency block and a nursing hostel and a training over here. This is the only hospital which has more than enough cardiology units, super specialties available over here. Every year 250 medical students are admitted in this Osmania Medical College. So the need of the hour is to develop this Osmania Hospital. And MIM party is of the firm opinion that the government of Telangana headed by K. Chandrasekhar Rao should immediately sanction a new building for Osmania Medical College, and that should include a new inpatient block, new outpatient block, new emergency block and a nursing hostel and a nursing training center over here, which are already existing. Because of closure of that old building, more than 600 beds have been scattered everywhere. People are not getting medical needs. We have seen that during COVID first wave, COVID second wave. In COVID first wave, Osmania was also a COVID designated center over here. people are in huge trouble, and in Usmania Medical Hospital, every year before the closure of the old building, 90,000 odd surgeries are performed. Now it has been reduced to only 44,000 odd. Can you imagine 50,000 people are not getting surgeries done, which is done free of cost over here. This hospital is a boon to the poor people of not only the Hyderabad city but also especially South Telangana, the old Rangareddy district, the old Mahbubnagar district, and even surrounding states like Karnataka and Maharashtra. People come here. So we are demanding from the Chief Minister that please immediately sanction a new building in Usmania Hospital. And that new building should be constructed and should have a build-up area of more than 35 lakh square feet. That building, we demand from the Chief Minister that more than 1,000 crores, if it is needed, the government should sanction it. Because we have seen that in COVID wave, the highest number of deaths have happened in GHMC area. There has been a recent report of Indian Express wherein it said that more people died in Old City because of COVID. It is very important in the interest of the poor people, in the interest of medical college, in the interest of state, that the Chief Minister should immediately announce a new building for Usmania Medical College. And let me be very clear, we are not at all concerned with that heritage building. It is for the government to decide what they want to do. We are concerned with human lives. We want the Chief Minister to save the human life, save Usmania Medical College, save this Usmania Hospital, and that it can only be saved if a new building is constructed. You want to keep that heritage building, keep it. You want to demolish it for God's sake. Because saving a human life, not one life, but thousands of lives are being saved over here. 50,000 surgeries are not being done over here. Despite having all super specialties, despite having impeccable integrity holding doctors over here who are specialists in their own field. I am thankful to those doctors that they have not left the Usmania Medical College and gone and joined corporate hospitals. This shows their commitment to the poor people of Telangana. I demand from the Chief Minister, please construct, immediately order a new Usmania Hospital building. We are not concerned with that heritage building. The government wants to demolish it, please demolish it. We want a new building to come up over here. We will not give government a chance to say that because heritage building, TRS government is not constructing Usmania Hospital. We are saying we are ready for it. We are demanding, please do it. And also a detailed report would be given by the concerned experts, and we will be formally representing to the Chief Minister to construct a new building. This is what is the opinion of the MIM party. आज हम उस्मानिया हॉस्पिटल को आए थे.